Alright, who said this wasn't possible to have an OEM on virtual machine? Whoever said that, you're freaking wrong. It's possible. You just don't know it. But the first thing you have to do, obviously, is create a new virtual machine. And we're going to create this under a 32-bit operating system. And since this is a Windows Vista, I'm just going to have it on Vista and type the company that supplied this. We're going to have it on 1024 megabytes, because why not? And of course, you know what I mean, we're going on a terabyte. So you're going to go right here, just click your recovery ISO, and then just start your machine. And I'm going to try to do this on actual hardware. So, yeah. So you see, it is starting, and you can see that Windows. It can see it's loading files, meaning this is legit. But it's starting to feel incredibly dumb right now. We're thinking this wasn't possible. So it's going to go through a little tiny bit of it, so I'll come back once it starts up. Okay, so you can just start the gateway process. Alright, so welcome to Gateway System Recovery. So we're going to go ahead and recover your PC should you experience a PC failure instability. Of course, this hard drive has not even been the virtual hard drive has not even been formatted yet, so click next, and it's going to click a full factory recovery. Click next. Click yes and next. Now you definitely need to do this the first time you boot up a VM with this ISO image, which will be provided in the description. And of course, this will take a long time, so I'll come back once it requires us to. So unsurprisingly, that took long, but you're going to get this screen now. So recovery is complete. Once your system restarts to finish the initial start of your computer, you need to report some additional important steps. Click finish, and it'll give you the gateway splash screen again. Note that you can try the actual hardware. I would not recommend it. That's probably only if you have Windows Vista installed. Now you can see it'll reboot itself. Now it's not going to boot from the DVD again. So the DVD control will be turned off and the hard drive will be still going. So you gotta even improve it. Optical drives on devices, nothing is in there. So as you can see, it'll give you the Windows Vista startup thingy, like it did the last time. And just wait. Basically what it's going to do now is, just say if you were installing Windows Vista Service Pack 0, or yeah, the initial build of Windows Vista, which I have an initial build of Windows Vista Ultimate on CD, it'll give you this familiar screen. Please wait a moment while Windows prepares to start for the first time. Let it do that, and then I'll come back if there's any updates. Okay, so basically right here you're gonna get this screen as part of like regular setup, as if you were installing Windows, but as the screen just flickered and that I apparently missed, it'll install all the drivers and applications needed for as if you just purchased a gateway computer from what I believe to be 2006 or 2007. So that's actually pretty cool. This is anything unlike the file restoration when the recovery partition was actually useful. Alright, so I'm unboxing the please wait screen for like 10 minutes. It finally rebooted itself, and I believe it is now on to installing the drivers and applications. See, I have this cursor in here. It's a black screen, and I really don't know what's going on here. I have never done a gateway restoration before. This is the first time I'm ever doing this. I've done so many Lenovo restorations because that computer I have is a piece of crap. The other one I have, I did some restorations before I actually killed it off for an unknown reason. So, looks like we're getting somewhere because I saw that that blue dot with in the cursor. But again, if everything else happens, I'll come back for it. Alright, for an odd reason or whatnot, as you guys just heard, Windows just booted up, and we're under Home Premium, which I guess is not too bad. It's probably going to do the driver and application installation, which is going to take frickin' ever, so you know, I'm probably going to have to do a whole nother video and edit it in to actually show you what the finished product should be after the installation. So I'll come back once it actually starts showing itself at the driver's installation screen. That did not take long at all. Well, to get here anyway. And now it says here, please wait while installing applications. It's going to install all the video drivers. It's going to install absolutely everything on here, which you would have got if you first purchased a gateway computer from your retailer circa 2006. It looks like. You're also going to want a wireless driver here too. So, as I said, this is going to take forever. So I'll come back once this is all done. Just a little checkpoint area, just so I can keep the thing alive. So we're now like almost halfway there. So look, this we are 98% done. Now what I've seen on the other system recovery was that it'll actually boot into administrator like several times before it actually launches setup. I'm just going to say this program installed correctly. But every single one of those, if it comes up with that. Right here, you're just going to say yes, we're going to do that. Alright, so I'll actually come back once it actually is at the Windows setup screen. So as you see, it's currently rebooting, and this is what happens during out-of-box experience. Alright, we're here at the setup part. It even has gateway in the bottom, so we're going to click next. You must accept a license terms for both of them. Now this part is pretty much familiar. Don't tell anyone that's my real name. Well, let's actually use one of the gateway backgrounds. Let's use that one. Course, island and secondary settings. Well, they almost got the right time. Thank you. Start. So basically, all it needs to do now is a little system adjustment, and then you're gonna be ready for use. So, basically, do what you want with it afterward. The first thing I'm gonna do with it is install the VirtualBox editions, just so we can get the extended screen resolution this thing deserves. Alright, so I'll see you all in the next video. Windows installation tutorials. Peace out.